Ay, ang ganda. Hindi natin to nakita kanina.
Hindi mo.
Mga ano pala. Pwede kang mag-hiking dito, oh. Ito yung waterfall. Okay, yeah. Waterfall.
Ganun sa kanya.
Ano?
Ano bagyo?
Sa inyo?
Oo.
May bagyo? How come may bagyo?
Ano naman ba yun, ma'am?
Kaya doon na napunta yung ulan dito.
Ayun.
Wala. Ang cute ng mga ano nila.
I'm a little scared of this one.
Crystal sa kanila, oh.
I don't think it would make a difference. I don't know. Oh, is there glass under it? Yeah. You're right, you're right. It's scary. The only time I feel like scared of heights is like climbing.
Dito, ano.
Pretty much it.
Like with like ropes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like, then like, so nauseous. But it's like different every time. It's kind of weird.
It wasn't bad. I was just like, when I got like those like really directions, I was like, I
Let's pack it up. And then we start driving down finally.
Oh my God! Wala, nakakalula. Andito.
Kaya mo.
Uy, nakakalula. Nakakalula pala. Kanina, hindi ako nalulula.
Kaya nga ako kanina pag ano.
Nakakalula pala to.